All right, let's see. You want to start being a show bird too, right? Let's see if we could do this. Ready? No, I got you, I got you. I got you. There you go, good boy. Well, that didn't work out so well. Let me get Spunky. Spunky does good. Come here, Spunky. Spunky. Here's my Spunky. Here's my Spunky. He knows how to do it right? Here you go. Get that foot up there. Good boy. Good boy, Spunky. Look at him. There's my Spunky. What do you think? He wants to just go walk around now, huh? Is he my little show bird? No. Now we have to learn how to walk. Now that we got you up there. Woo, nope, nope. He says, no ma'am, no ma'am.